Looks like it's just you and I today. So basically what we want to go over is the set that we're potentially working on for Desi Fest. Let me play it for you, then we'll try to break it up from there.
Alright.
Okay, so basically when Devin came over this past Wednesday, we started working on a set for Desi Fest. So I kind of want to show you what we have so far. We might have to just make it simpler, just given everyone's at different levels. But basically this is where we are. Yeah, again, might have to make it simpler just because that roll is so long and then not everyone's going to be able to play it. But let me show you the first part, which is the Vilambit Giddha. And it's actually going to be the next Simply Dhol video, so make sure you guys stick around for that. This is what we're trying to learn for today. Okay, man, you want to try it out? See if you can play it? So da, ten, ten, din, ge na, da, ge na, na. Perfect. Do it again. Do it again. Da, ten, din, ge na, da, ge na, na. Good job, my friend. Give me a high five. Sick. Make sure you practice, because I'm going to get that down. I want that to be a part of the set. And then we'll continue from there. Let's get out of here.